Hello, I'm Bart, and today I'm going to learn you how to install the 4002 series. Now, this is what we're going to make. Basically, we're going to mount the stud, the grommet, in this panel, and then we're going to mount the receptacle in another panel. So both can interact and easily open and close. So we have here different tools that we need to install those parts. First of all, we start to install the receptacle. Now you see these countersunk holes. These have been nicely prepared. Then we take the receptacle, we put it on, and then I take my riveting tool to rivet the receptacle on. Yeah, just push it in, and I need a little bit back. Yeah, voila, this one is in, and then the other hole is here, a bit misaligned, but okay. And here I have my second rivet that I'm gonna fasten. I usually do an office job, so it's not something I usually do. So people in the field are way quicker than me. Voila! So here you see my receptacle nicely mounted with the countersunk rivets. Okay, now we're gonna install the stud. We need to install the stud, we first need to install the grommet. So okay, we put the grommet in the hole. Everything has been is in the catalog, which sizes of holes you need. Then we need to retain the grommet in the panel, and the way we do that is with this little retaining ring. There is this tool, the T26 tool, that we just push it on. We put the ring already, pre-install it a little bit, and then we take the tool to mount it. Now you need to slam very hard. So we have installed now the receptacle, and we will install now the grommet. Okay, so just put the grommet over. Then we have this tiny tool that we push on it, and what we want to have is this ring go over the grommet. So, and what you see is with just a slam, the ring is nicely retaining the grommet. Okay. Now what we need to do is install the stud. We use this tool for it, the 4P3, and the way is to grip it here, compress the spring. You see that I'm compressing the spring, and once you compress, you can easily put it in, and now it's retained. Now this is just about good, it's still retained, but we advise to install also an extra retaining washer, which is a very small one, and for that there has also been developed a tool. Now what is important, that you put the slot on the top, you squeeze it a little bit in, and the slot needs to be really straight. Okay, then what you do is you put one of the axes in, and you need to push it straight in. So it's done so quickly. Now this stud won't come loose, and let's look if everything works. Okay, we're opening and closing with a quarter turn. Thank you for watching how to install the different components into place with the tools. Bye.